I think I've made some mistakes this year. This game has no sound options. Me throws me into this. It's way too loud. The game temperature was at max completely. I have my head speakers on 1 and it's still too loud on my ear.
Here is your standard issue Mountain Dew Ghetto Blaster. Don't forget to drink Mountain Dew and eat Doritos along the way, and buy our new product Doritos. You will enjoy it. Good luck. The future of MLG is counting.
Alright, I fixed my audio toggle, so now
On you. YOLO.
it's so loud. It has to be sound options, right? It's loading, but I'm able to select sound options, right? Oh, I can't. Oh no. Yeah, this is going to be a bad experience. Oh, that's so bright. That's not really MLG. You have bright lights in your game. Whoa! They're shooting at me.
I work for you close and I will ban your if you don't stop.
I have to control my reader on the read it use drop text stuff. Have to use. Oh, okay, here we go. So there's leaning, prone, crouch, sprint, insight, drop weapon. Pick that back up. Scoreboard maybe. Holster. And well, that's as we start level, maybe. Huh? Okay. Now let's properly. Okay, but still is. Oh. No do? Dang. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, sorry. I'm doing this. Wait. These are you keep buying 5 or something. What? Cover and reload my hide behind Look at sound options for this game. I had to do like that. Dota? What do you mean, Dota? I only played 1 match of Dota too. This is Dota? Really? It involves so much of it. So I kind of need better. That's just the fucking boss. There was no little players in that game, so you gotta get around. Two pickups. When they have like the command, you do something. Walk up, put it in the game, I think I'm gonna. What is he doing? have two bathroom? Oh, shit. There's a normal door here. Swamp, right. Dead end, no. Oh, you gave me a sniper. Now we're talking. Oh, this is also different assault rifle. Okay, 7 for this. Okay, let's still give us dead end. Was that Hitler? Oh, I have to reload, No. Explosive bullets or something? If it's making for a game jam or something, so it was like limited time frame wise. Challenges. Like, oh yeah, make a game, but you don't have to limit how much time you have for it. Oh, we're sticking to World Wars now, huh? What is it, World War I, and then people are gonna run out in trenches? Random trenches in the office building? Really? That would be funny, but no, I think it's just, there's fire or something. Now, everyone you could try to decide yourself as, well, for the Illuminati, you try to decide yourself as Hitler. That's not very, what do you call it? What's this one? Turns it around. Whoa. Was that a store I just saw? What year was this? Internet culture changed so much over the years, you know. Secret weapon, SMG. Okay. Hopefully the audio's not too messed up. Oh, yeah, they said this is dead end. Oh, so let's check to see all the What's this? This is random deaths here. Alright, push sniper back out. I need to find more Doritos. Oh my. What? Pardon? Where am I supposed to be? Oh, there's a stretch swamp over here. The lighting's a bit weird in this. I know it's... What was that? Pumpkin? Oh, it's the weed room. Oh, lung cancer never felt better, huh? Now the weed room. Isn't there permanent weed effect? No! I will end up getting lung cancer from this. Oh, yeah.
I'm proud of you, and I know your mom is proud of you too.
That's the wrong number.
Whoa, hey, you've gone behind me, man. That's insane. Wait, I don't see him. I was going to like jump around like this. There's someone. Man, imagine not having movement and accuracy. I hate when it's like movement and accuracy. Just move a bit and then the bullet goes immediately way out of the crosshair. Oh my god. Okay. Pirates? The shotgun. Oh. What's F Jason? What the God. I need more Doritos. Somebody give me some Doritos. I hate Doritos actually, but yeah. Overpriced. Okay.
Mom must be super proud of you.
Yo, actually. Wilhelm Street? I'm hoping there's copyright claims for this. What of this tons around? Oh! Oh! Look at this! Whoa! How many random looking from? How did you find this many people? I'm at 700. Oh, that's why do you have resource management into the MLG shooter that you raid officer into the Illuminati?
What are you doing
Rekt
in my
boss fight?
swamp?
Oh. I don't know who is that message? Oh, it's Shrek. Okay, I need to Google this guy. How dare you?
Say that you have fun.
Quick soap in battle. I couldn't find where he was. Microsoft boy. We're both too tanky. Wow, okay. I need quick soap. Or no soap. Oh, yep!
Actually, it's Spoderman.
Spoderman?
Put me into Robot Mecha Shrek, and now I am here, one with Shrek. And my heart and soul
became
is full
Shrek?
of holes. Shrek is love. Shrek is life. Now I know you are wondering, because I am wondering the same question too. But if I am killed,
Is he?
then who was phone?
Like, developer. I didn't even know his name. I didn't even know his name. Game crashed. I have won. MO Game of the Year 420 Blaze it. And now I'm deleting the files. Nope. Oh, I have the text document open still. Alright. It froze. Okay, yeah. Well, in any case, I've been Wavium. And I have just become the MLG.